I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food.
I am sharing you my sweet potato meal every time I wanted to have a no rice meal plan for myself. This is my sweet potatoes with egg in simple tomato sauce. But before we start,
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
we need 500 grams sweet potatoes, casserole, and water. Fill up your casserole with water to cover your sweet potatoes. Boil your sweet potatoes for 30 minutes or until cooked. 1 celery stalk for your garnish and celery sticks. This is optional. For our baked sweet potatoes with egg, sweet potatoes boiled and peeled, celery, tart mold, wax paper, cooking oil and silicone brush, salt and pepper, eggs, plate and fork. Peel and mash sweet potatoes. Brush cooking oil and lined with wax paper. Mold it in your tart mold. Put the egg. Add a dash of salt and pepper. Sprinkle with celery leaves, optional. Bake your sweet potatoes for 30 minutes or until your desired cooked eggs. After baking, let it cool in your cooling rack. For our simple tomato sauce, 250 grams Filipino-style tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, cooking oil, water, 1 small onion chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, pan, and turner. Preheat the pan. Put the cooking oil. Saute the onion and garlic. Add the tomato sauce, Add a dash of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add water. And simmer for 5 minutes. Our finished product, baked sweet potatoes with egg in simple tomato sauce. You can also try boiled sweet potatoes with egg in simple tomato sauce.
Huge shout out to my friends and family and to my subscribers who supported me. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.